The world is home to a rich tapestry of cultures and languages, each with its unique traditions, beliefs, and practices. There are over 7,000 languages spoken globally, many of which are intricately tied to the identity and heritage of their respective communities. Cultural diversity encompasses various aspects, including art, music, dance, cuisine, rituals, and social norms. For instance, the Maori culture of New Zealand is known for its vibrant traditions, including the haka, a ceremonial dance performed by the All Blacks rugby team. The haka involves rhythmic chanting, vigorous movements, and fierce expressions, symbolizing strength, unity, and ancestral connection. Linguistic diversity is equally fascinating. Some languages, like the San peoples, Kung language in southern Africa, feature click consonants, which are rare in most other languages. Preserving endangered languages is crucial for maintaining cultural heritage. Efforts like the revitalization of the Hawaiian language, through educational programs and media, aim to ensure that these languages are passed down to future generations. Cultural and linguistic diversity also promote understanding and tolerance. Learning about different cultures fosters empathy and respect, breaking down stereotypes and prejudices. For example, the Day of the Dead, Dia de los Muertos, in Mexico is a celebration that honors deceased loved ones with vibrant altars, marigold flowers, and sugar skulls. Understanding such traditions enriches our appreciation of the diverse ways people celebrate life and remember the departed. Globalization and technological advancements have facilitated cross-cultural exchanges, allowing people to share their customs and languages with a broader audience. However, this interconnectedness also poses challenges, such as the risk of cultural homogenization and language extinction. Balancing globalization with the preservation of cultural and linguistic diversity is essential for maintaining the richness and complexity of our global heritage.